Welcome back to my channel. It's unfortunate that you're having to come back here because you've probably got the same problem as I have. My blower has gone on my car. It still heats up and everything, but the actual blower is gone. This is an FSU. Apparently this can fail, and so today I am going to do a swap for the old one, and by swapping this thing over, hopefully it will be all okay. Now, it's located in a European car office, it's a right-hand drive, near your footrest, just underneath there, if I can just get it focused in. Alright, a couple of panels I'm going to take off, and then hopefully I better locate it. And then this doesn't seem too hard. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, apparently. Alright, so to take this, wait a second, where's my, okay. Right, first we're going to take this trim off. This is what you need your Phillips screwdriver for. I pull this trim backwards because that's how it comes off. Then I'm going to take this top panel off here. So I've got some screws here, 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 and that should come off. And it is located somewhere around here. Alright, that's the first panel out of the way. Literally took me 2 seconds to pull it back and it came straight off. Okay, now I lied about the other panel. As well as having those screws here, you have those little plastic turning ones here that you need to do by hand, and then hopefully we'll get that panel off. Okay, also found out that these aren't just screws, you need a thorax screw, I believe, which is one of these. I don't know about the size, but all I can say, it's very, very small. Okay, so you're going to need that. Once you've done that, you're going to remove these. Yeah, I cheated a bit there. Took the other one off already. Anyway, should come off. Okay, digging in deeper. I thought this vent tube was going to get in the way, but luckily it's not in the way. I've actually located it here. The wiring connector is held on by 2 clips on both sides. What you need to do is locate them with your fingers, squeeze both together and wiggle it out, and it should be okay. Alright, it's proving a bit to be difficult, so I've put my special gear on, my gloves. This will give me extra strength, yeah. Alright, there it is. I got it. It's just there. Let's get that thing out. Now, that is also held on by just 1 clip, so try and find out where the clip is. Unclip it and pull it out, okay? There's no screws attached. It's just kept on by a clip. Alright, I got it out. So the clip is located roughly, if it's like this, it's roughly at the bottom area here where my thumb is. You need to pull that back and it should just slide out. This is the original, this is the new one. I might just take those stickers off and change it over just to make myself feel better. Obviously it's not original, but yeah, hopefully it'll do the job. Okay, let's put it back in. Just before I put it back in, I just want to show you what it looks like in there. So there's the clip that holds the FSU in place. Alright, let's pull that back and it should slide out the FSU unit. Alright guys, new one's in there. Luckily it all clips in, all secure. And now, at the moment of truth. It's alive! She's alive again! Oh, wow! It worked! Amazing! Listen, listen. Wow. It's alive. This car refuses to die on me. How many more years will I have to drive this thing? This is the 13th year straight, no joke, I have been driving this thing. And let's have a look at the mileage. 196,000. And she is blowing. Oh my god. Oh wow. Yeah, job done. Took me 15 minutes. Not too bad. No, I've got to put it back together though. But hey, it works. Yes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Nothing to enjoy really, but I hope you're happy if yours has worked. Yeah, happy motoring. See you again. Hopefully not too soon, but yeah. Bye.